This video explains how to set an indicator and how to find the best pair of indicators. Because with the use of the right strategy, you will get a lot of wins. In this video also discussed important points in trading. Happy watching, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. There are some important points in trading that must be considered. 1. Know the type of trend. 2. Use the right indicators. 3. Knowing the best momentum in determining options. 4. Trading psychology. Use this Quotax bonus code to get an extra 40% deposit bonus on your first deposit. Quotax is one of the leading binary options broker you can use to trade binary options like a professional. The first step, pair one indicator from the many available indicators. Here I use the Williams indicator. Initially I used the default indicator settings. Then we compare it with the current candlestick chart. If the movement of the indicator is not the same as the movement of the candle chart, you have to change the indicator settings adjusted to the time and current trading trends. Adjust it until the movement of the indicator matches the movement of the candle chart. If it matches the movement of the candle, it means that the indicator settings are correct. Notice the similarities between the movement of the candle and the movement of the indicator. How to find indicator pairs. How to search for indicator pairs by looking for indicators that define the previous indicator. Here I use the ZigZag indicator because this indicator makes it easy to see trend movements. Williams indicator combined with ZigZag indicator. 1. Up option. If the line of the ZigZag indicator is going up, and the Williams chart crosses the lower line of the Williams indicator, choose up option. Two. Down signal. If the line of the ZigZag indicator is going down, and the Williams chart crosses the higher line of the Williams indicator, choose down option. Three. Down option or higher option. If the Williams chart crosses the upper or lower line, crossing up is an up signal, crossing down is a down signal. To strengthen, pay attention to the ZigZag indicator line.